In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a distribution list. A distribution list is a list which you can send an email to a group of people. So this can be created by an administrator, and he can assign owners and members. Owners can edit as well. I'm going to show how an owner can edit the distribution list. And first thing, you need to go to admin center. Then go to teams and groups, then active teams and groups, then distribution lists. The main purpose of a distribution list is to send emails to a group of people. So I'm gonna create one here, maybe marketing. Next, and add assign owners. So I'm gonna assign myself as an owner. And next, then add members. I have only few members here, so I'm gonna add these two, and you can add this distribution list as well to this one, but I'm just gonna go with these two for now. And next, then group email address, marketing. So you need to be careful when you use this, because this is going to be only can be used for distribution list. If in the future, if you want to create another email address for a user as marketing it, hashtag or whatever the domain which you are having, you can't create that. So it's going to be the unique identifier. And next, create group, and done. So we have the let's refresh. Yeah, the marketing distribution list. So if I go in, still you can edit from here as well, the basic information, the alias and members. You can do and edit members, add members, or change owners, or add owners, remove, whatever. Then the settings, you can enable for external senders, like anybody from out of this domain can send emails. So I'm going to save that. So this doesn't need to be like edited, only can be edited by administrators. I mean, any owner who's having in this list can edit the distribution list. What you do is they need to log into their Outlook online version. Then they need to go to settings up here, then general, then distribution groups. Then there's this portal which they need to access for that. So they don't need to have administrator privileges to do this. So it just needs to be added as owners. So it's loading. So I am the owner, one of the owners for both of these distribution lists. So I'm going to select marketing and edit. From here, I can add members and remove members, or if I'm the owner, I can add owners, it seems. Then membership approvals, there's quite a bit of more privileges, or more options here as well. So that's how owner can edit a distribution list through their Outlook. And you can see this in people distribution lists. Who's a member or owner of the distribution list can always go to the contacts, that's people here, and all distribution lists, and check who are the members and owners. So this is how you create a distribution list. And administrator always can edit any distribution list in the admin center, but that's how the user can edit the distribution list. So hope this is helpful for you guys, and if I have any questions, put in the comment section. I can always reply. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.